So let's get into the demo of the Salesforce Loyalty Management.
Sure. Yeah.
All right.
All right. Let me. All right. So this is the loyalty management. This is how it looks. So the customer that we're talking about is Country Fashion.
Mm-hmm.
So Country Fashion has a loyalty program which they call as Country Fashion Prime.
Mm-hmm.
And in this Country Fashion Prime, they have certain tiers as we have kind of discussed, loyalty.
Yeah, the silver, the gold one, the platinum one, and everything. Yeah.
So these are the three, tiers that they have: the silver, the gold,
the same
and
one.
the same one. The silver one is the one where the patient, where the customer gets onboarded once they sign up for this.
Initially, your status is going to be you're going to be on silver tier, and as soon as you do more purchases, your tier is going to get upgraded.
That's correct. So this is the silver tier, and there are certain benefits that are available.
So you have stored all of the benefits in here itself.
In here itself, and if you want to add more benefits, we can.
You can just do it by adding a new record.
Yeah, I will be showing that right after this. Right after the I show you the actual demo. Okay, so I will be quickly jumping to their storefront. So this is the storefront, and so for this storefront, they are selling apparels as we discussed. I would be creating a new user for this. So let me create a new user. All right. Oh, my bad.
I know what your password is.
I think you know. Okay. Then I did something wrong. Okay, maybe let me type in a new one. I have already registered while creating this.
I know you practiced this demo enough times before actually showing it in here.
All right, so this is how the profile looks like. And as I discussed, the 50 points have been
already granted to you.
Already granted. You have already accrued that. If I go into the loyalty program and loyalty management system, I would be able to view this in real time. So if I click over here, so this is the member that got created, and we can see that this is the same user, like one-to-one, the same email ID, and these are the points that are available to this particular customer, which is 50. And in Salesforce, we can view these are the enrollment points, these are the credited on 50 points. Now I will move to order, and I will try to buy something and actually redeem these points.
Makes sense.
So I'm going to buy a suit.
This is the third time you're buying suit today.
Yeah. And I will probably buying some more in coming days.
Are you getting married?
No. I have to attend a wedding.
You have to? What?
I have to attend
one, all right.
Yeah,
it's your brothers.
Yeah, it's
we
my
all
brothers.
know about it.
All right. So I will be going to the checkout section. I will be filling in the information. I will make payment section. All right. In the payment section, as you can see, I'm able to view the points that were
accurate that were accrued to you at that point of time. Yeah.
So I will be using 40 points from these 50.
So you can select how many loyalty points you'll be using. All right.
And I may have missed it, but
all right. So it's $1.1.
Yeah. No. It's much more than that.
Can you actually customize that as well?
Yeah, we can customize that as well. So the 50 points right now. So I did 40, and the cost is $299.99. So I will be redeeming that, and the cost is going to be reduced because I use the points.
Of course, yeah.
So I will be making a purchase now.
I know your credit card number 411.
Just don't buy anything expensive, man. All right. So the total cost is $274, and the cost for the item is $259 from $299.
You're even charging sales tax from us when he's showing the demo. All right, let's make a payment.
Let's make a payment. So as soon as I make a payment, the points will be redeemed, and the new points would be accrued again because of the
purchase that you made.
Because of the purchase that we did.
Show it to us.
So I would be going back to the user, the loyalty program.
So now, all right, let me see.
I have to refresh the page.
Please do that.
And we would be able to view the points over here. So as you can see, there have been 2 journal entries, one for redemption because we redeemed and the accrual. And I would like to show you like the current points. So the points are 37.50.
So 10 accumulated from the 10 remaining from the 50 that we initially got, and 27.5 because we made a purchase of $274. All right, makes sense. 27.5 is what we got out of it.
Yeah, and these tier coins are something which are tier coins. So like once I make a purchase or once I do the purchase of 200 US dollars, I would be
promoted to the gold tier.
And gold tier has its own benefit.
All right.
So
like what?
Like additional discounts, and if I make a purchase of 1,000,
and it's already all applied
configured.
In here. All configured.
All configured in here. So I will be quickly showing the journal entry. So like redemption, we can view simply over here, like the 40 points were redeemed, and the accrual as well, like we talked about. No, not this is the accrual. This is the enrollment accrual. This is the accrual. Yeah. So this is the accrual as well that we accrued, 274 and 27.50, which kind of now results to 37.50. So all of this is there. Now, if I go to the storefront, like my storefront, I would be able to view all of this information in my account section. So in the account section, I am able to view. Earlier it was 50. Now it's 37.5. I have these points. I have accumulated these many tier points, and the gold tier would be at this. So all of this is integrated and connected seamlessly.
So now you have not promoted. You are not still promoted to the gold tier. You have to make 2,000 points. Purchase.
Yeah, I think I have to buy a couple of more suits. Maybe probably some shoes. All right, so we can view the tier benefits from here as well. These are the same tier benefits as we saw earlier. Yeah. So this is how it's looking as of now. Now I want to show you a couple more things. Like we talked about that thing where if we are making a purchase of certain amount, we get a voucher for a partner or something like that. So we would be able to do that. So let me quickly go to that. I'll be making another purchase for
not another suit. So
okay, maybe something different. Maybe I would buy something from a win section now for somebody.
I know who that somebody is.
Yeah, but probably not everybody does.
You want to tell it to everybody on live?
I don't think so.
Pranjo over there is jumping. Yeah, we need to hear that. We really need to hear that. All right.
Okay, so I will be buying this, and I think I will be buying that in a little bit higher quantity.
High quantity.
Quantity.
Same dress. How many do you have, man? You want to buy the same one for everybody.
So, just like
all right, whatever you want to do, let it be.
Okay. I will quickly go to the checkout.
But still, you're not going to get promoted to the gold tier, right? You should have bought at least 16 of them. But let's go ahead. Let's make the payment.
All right. Okay. So yeah. So these are the points. Again, I can use all of them. So this time I will be using all of them. All right. So as soon as I redeem, you can see the price got reduced from this to this, 894 to 856.50, and CVV. Yeah. Place an order. All right. Magic is happening.
You live at lane number 1, street XYZ in New York.
Yeah, I do. In this demo, I do. All right. Okay. Let me go to the member. Okay. I will be refreshing the page again. All right.
Did you purchase this property with the help of Ryan?
You got it. All right. So this time, as you can see, there are accruals and redemption, just like earlier. And apart from that, we got a voucher as well, because this time we, made a purchase of more than $500. So we got a voucher as well. Now this voucher is basically for a dine-in at a restaurant. So this is a partner network that I was talking about in B2B section. So like we can collaborate with partners and we can, provide their benefits, which is going to, increase their sales as well, because for 10% discount, people would be going there. We are providing a
coupon or something like that. Yeah.
So it's going to benefit both the end customers and that partner as well.
But how the partners are will be able to how the partners will know that you have provided this much discount to this particular individual?
Yeah. So all of this, so like this voucher which got generated as of now would be propagated via APIs to that partner system. Whatever that system is, as we discussed in cross-cloud connectivity, we can connect it with anything. So we'll be propagating that information to that particular partner, and that partner will be able to.
So for that, there's a different integration that you'll have to do depending on to the partner's system. But you'll be able to send them the information of the customer who got this particular voucher. Exactly.
And once this particular code is redeemed, that information is coming back to the platform. So again, we are able to utilize that information.
That this particular individual actually redeemed this voucher and went there. That means, I mean, this individual is more into utilizing the vouchers that we are providing it to them.
We would be able to identify. So like a brand would be able to identify what partner benefits are actually being utilized. So this is what I was talking about in that, insights
of the partner management.
So I would be showing you a view of that as well. So like this is how we would be able to utilize that. So this is how it would be utilized, and this is how a customer can be, redeemed. So, all right. So for this, all right. Okay, so So before moving to that, I will be showing you I would say the easiness that we have with Salesforce Loyalty Management, of being able to, add benefits and being able to view certain things. So I will quickly go to the tier. And So yeah, as we were discussing, so these are the points, these are the benefits which are available to this. And we can simply remove them or add them from this view itself only. So like if I want to add a 10% apparel voucher, we would be able to do that. We just have to add it over here and be done with it.
And this will be added into all of the checkout functionalities, whether being in store or e-commerce.
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is how we can do it. It's as simple as this.
So any person who's just comfortable with this Salesforce Loyalty Management application, using this Salesforce Loyalty Management application, will be able to do it.
Just being a Salesforce administrator.
User even
a user.
Yeah. They'll be able to do it on their own without the help of any developer, right? They'll be able to actually customize, curate, redesign, reframe all of the loyalty programs that they're doing on their own without the need of a technical expertise.
That's correct.
Makes sense.
All right. So for country fashion, we also did integration with POS, as I discussed. So these points that are being accumulated for this particular
can be utilized at POS
as well. I will not be able to demo that as of now because I do not have that POS with me. So, but yeah, we can definitely utilize that. So these 87.15 points can be actually utilized
with it against it.
Yeah, against it.
Got it.
So one last thing. I know I have a lot to show. I know. So this is the dashboard.
This is a personal urge that you have, right? Always.
Yeah, I have that urge. Okay. All right. So this is the dashboard, which gives us that clarity, which you were talking about, how many members you have and which particular tier has how many members. So all of this is inside Salesforce, and we did not have to configure anything. We did not have to set up anything. We are simply utilizing Tableau Analytics. Yeah.
Got it.
And we get a license of that as well if you are...
Along with Loyalty Management.
You get a license for this.
So you don't have to pay extra for Tableau.
You don't have to pay extra for that. And we would be able to utilize that. So we'd be able to utilize all of the things.
If you've got Tableau, you've got every data inside already.
Yeah. Already. And we can use this information to define a program and evolve it as per
with time, as per your customer needs.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Absolutely makes sense. All right. Is that it about the demo?
That's probably it.
Yeah, probably. Thank you.